Mm. Wait, give him some more. Go ahead. Make the noise too. You okay? Be louder, louder. Oh. Oh no! Say please. Say the word, please. Say please.
Ma.
Thank you.
You.
Go ahead, feed CJ. He's still hungry. He still wants some food. Go. You ready? Oh. You gotta be careful. Okay, is he too far away for you?
Ow.
Okay, Tony, enough. Go ahead, get him some more.
However, error.
Are you gonna feed him or what? He's waiting. You gotta be careful. When you go in, Tony. Say, chicken noodle. Chicken noodle.
Hey there. How
Okay,
you do?
How do you do it?
How about ya?